Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys about phone setting guys. How can you use, how can you check, how can you rename and change it. So in this video guys first of all guys we will talk about how to check phone device name in our Tecno phone. So friends you want to check your device name in your Tecno phone. So guys you can check, and guys now let's see how to check phone device name in our Tecno phone. In this video guys we will talk about. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to check our device name. So guys you can see guys this type of setting. So guys what will you have to do? First setting guys you can see my phone setting. So guys we will tap here, then guys click on guys your device name setting, tap here, and guys you can check your device name from here about phone. And guys you want to rename this device name, so guys you can rename also friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to check phone device name in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.